So this is, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polygels here. So that is super, and this is $35 for the lamp and all of these gel polishes, the liquid, the filer, the nail shape thing. Guys, that is a super duper good deal. Like, I got a good deal, and all of this was like $35. Like, that's a good deal. So guys, so stay tuned on my channel because I'm going to be attempting to get my nails done. Malin, you don't mind showing them your nails? So my sister did her nails. Come on, just show them your nails. Just flash it, and then you can go. So she's gonna flash her nails, guys, so you can see like she used it. Ta-da! So she was the first one to try it, so I'm super nervous to try mine because this is my first time. I don't want to mess up, but stay tuned on my channel, stay tuned on this channel so you can see. Again guys, I got all of these for like $35. Came with the lamp and so much nail polish gels, and the polygel and the nail shape thing and the instructions. So yeah, so if you want to purchase yourself, like I saw this on YouTube, I saw somebody using polygel and it was super easy. I was like, I need to get this, so I got it. So stay tuned because I'm going to be trying this on my channel. So guys, yes, I'm super nervous, but your girl is going to be trying it, so stay tuned to that. So guys, I'm out of here, so thank you guys for watching, and make sure to tune in. And if you want to purchase yourself some polygel, go ahead, because my sister nails came out thebomb.com. They came out good, so I'm gonna be trying mine. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe to the channel.